Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Saturday, August the 20th, and I've learned something in installing all of these body panels on my 67 Nova that I wanted to share with everybody. This is incredibly difficult in that I'm putting two rear quarters on this car. I'm doing an entire new tail section. There's the other quarter over on this side. I have an aftermarket carbon fiber deck lid. I'm also doing with that the cowl section that's going to go up in here, and of course you're going to have a window that has to fit to the cowl and then a window that has to fit to both of the quarters as well as the roof. So this is like the biggest game of, checkers, Legos, call it whatever in the hell you want that you're ever going to play, and that you're trying to get all of these things to line up. And if you screw one up and say, for instance, you start building out your wheel tub and you come and you weld to your quarter panel, if something else doesn't line up, you're pretty much screwed and tattooed. So here is how I have come to figure that I think the best way to do this. So the first thing that I did was I hung my door with the gap that I wanted, and at that point I then had to get my quarter panel to line up to my door. So when you close the door, you can see that they basically line up right there at the top. So I get the front of my quarter panels where I want them to go. And once I've got that done, I then have this quarter panel that hangs off the back of the car, and it can do everything you can imagine. It can raise up, down, left, right. It can twist a little bit this way, that way. There's a lot of freedom in terms of how this entire thing can move on the back end of the car. So as you're sitting here trying to take the quarter on and off the car and you're trying to get everything to line up, here's what I found I think is the smart way to do this. If we have a look inside the car, you'll notice, get my hand out of the way, there you go. You'll notice that I used my plasma cutter to make this bracket, and this bracket has got elongated holes to the left and to the right, and then on the inside, the actual car itself has elongated holes going up and down. So now I have the ability to sit here and shift the car left, right, up, down, whatever it needs, and to get this tail section not only centered with the car, but if I find out that, I need everything to actually be a quarter of an inch to the left or to the right in order to make it line up, to my deck lid, all of a sudden I have that ability. And so it seems to me, what I've learned and I'm trying to share with you guys is, if you're doing this job, I recommend affixing the tail on the back end of the car, giving yourself some ability to be able to move it left, right, up and down and so forth. And, that's terribly important, because at some point I'm going to come over here and want to take one of these quarters off of the car, do some work, and put it right back on. And, that tail has to stay there in order to put that quarter back on and everything be in the same place it was 10 minutes ago. So I feel like that's a really handy little trick that I've learned there in building, an adjustable tail section. So kind of what we're doing at the end of the day is we're affixing the front of the quarter and then affixing the back of the quarter. And at that point, I can kind of make little changes as I want to, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So if I close my carbon fiber deck lid here, thanks to the folks at Anvil Auto, shout out to Matt over there, super good folks. You might notice my gap is a little bit big. So all of a sudden, if I wanted to and I was going to weld this thing in place, I could kind of push that quarter in a little bit in the middle to tighten things up. But at the end of the day, it's got to be affixed at the front and it's got to be affixed at the rear. That's how I recommend doing this after thinking about this for literally months and finally implementing it and finding that it seems to work quite well. I'm actually quite happy with how all the gaps and everything, how it's all lining up. It's a long way to go, but it's coming along good. Y'all have a great Saturday. Thank you for watching. Take care.